Hello, friends, and welcome to WordGlow. Today's story is called Nothing is Free. It is a simple story with a strong life lesson. Let's begin. Tom was a young boy. He was just 18 years old. He lived in a small town with his family. His father was a taxi driver. His mother made clothes at home. Tom had a little brother named Ben. They were poor, but they were happy. Tom had a dream. He wanted to open a food stall and become successful, but he had no money. One night, Tom sat outside and looked at the moon. He said, "I want to help my family, but how?" The next day, he told his father. His father said, "Tom, remember, nothing is free. If you want something, you must work for it." Tom listened. He walked to the city market and saw people buying fresh fruits. Then he had an idea. Tom thought, what if I sell fresh fruits in my town? People love fruits, but the market is far away. He went to an old fruit seller named Mr. Khan. Tom said, "Sir, I want to sell your fruits in my town, but I don't have money now. Can I return the money after selling?" Mr. Khan looked at him and asked, "Why should I trust you?" Tom said, "Because I am honest. Please give me one chance." Mr. Khan waited, then smiled. "Okay, take these fruits. Pay me tomorrow." Tom said thank you and ran home. Tom put a small table near the park. He shouted, "Fresh fruits! Sweet and healthy." At first, people didn't stop. So Tom gave small fruit pieces for free. People tasted them and smiled. By evening, he sold everything. He paid Mr. Khan and kept a little money. From that day, he worked every morning. He woke up early, walked to the market, and sold fruits. After 2 months, he bought a small cart. One day, an old woman said, "Tom, why don't you make juice too? It will sell fast." Tom liked the idea, but he had never made juice before. He went to Mr. Khan and asked, "Can you teach me to make juice?" Mr. Khan said, "You will become my competition." "Why should I help you?" Tom replied. "You helped me once. If I grow, I'll buy more fruits from you." Mr. Khan smiled and said, "Okay, I will teach you." Tom learned step by step. At first, he spilled juice and broke glasses. He felt tired. One night he said, "Maybe I can't do this." But then he remembered. Nothing is free. He had to work hard. Next day, he tried again. And slowly, his juice became tasty. Soon, people loved his juice. He added mango, orange, and apple juice. His little brother helped wash fruits. His mother smiled while watching them work. Tom painted his cart and added lights. More people came to buy from him. One day, a teacher came to him and said, "Tom, your juice is good, but your story is better." Tom smiled and said, "Yes, because I learned one thing in life. Nothing is free. You must give effort to get success." Thanks for watching this story on WordGlow. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. More easy English stories are coming soon.